It's Gavin back from thrivewp.com. Today we're going to look at how to create a link to Google reviews. So for a lot of you, especially if you're kind of like a local business, you'll probably have a Google My Business listing, and that is a listing that shows up on Google. So if I just search our business name, okay, so this is our business listing. Okay, which is through Google My Business, and you can collect the reviews through this, which is powered by Google. It's really useful, but there's no easy way to direct your customers to write a review other than to tell them to go to Google, search your business, then find the listing, then look for the button that says write review. Most customers just aren't going to do that. There is a way to create a direct link to it, it's just a little bit fiddly. So in this video, this is what we're going to show you how to do. Okay, so we've got our link to our listing created already. So if I hover over this, you look down at the bottom left hand corner, you can see that our link is there. If we click that, it takes us directly to the Write Review page, where our customers can write a review. So this is what we're going to create for your website and your listing, basically. Okay. So the first thing you need to do really, okay, is go and find your place ID. Okay, and your place ID is a series of letters and numbers. Okay, so this is our specific place ID, and the way you find that place ID is a couple of ways. The first way and the easiest way is to click on this link, which is in our blog. I'll link to it in the video. Okay, and then what you do when this page loads, you'd search in the enter location your business name. Okay, and it will give you a few options of what it thinks you're looking for. So this is our business. We'll click that. It will bring up our business, our location, and then we just copy the place ID. Okay. Now for some people that search form doesn't work. For some people your business won't show up, and we'll go on to what you can do if that happens. But for now, once you've copied that place ID that we just showed you, you then have a couple of options. You can take the customer just to the reviews itself, so they will see your reviews like this in a list, and then up here they'll have a button that says write review, so they can read the reviews and write one. Okay, or the other option is to do what we've done, and that is to direct them straight to the write a review screen. So all that you have to do is you basically take your place ID and you'll add it to the end of this URL. So you'll replace all of this bold text with your place ID, just as we have here. Okay, and so those are the two options. You use this one, which is, if you notice in the URL, reviews will take you to the reviews page, and then if you notice in this URL, it's got write review, which will take you to this kind of page. Now, for those that don't find their business searching on the place ID finder, there is another way to do it. Okay, it's a bit more tricky, but it's not too hard. So what you do is you search in Google for your business, as we did. Okay, we'll have to do this in a private window moment so it works properly. So let's do that. Okay, so then what you need to do is you find your business listing, you scroll down to where it says write review, and you might need to do it in a private window as well, so that you're not logged in. You right click on write review, and you'll see something like inspect or inspect element. Click on that and a load of code will pop up. Okay, what you then need to do is you need to find a data PID. So we'll just go back to the blog so we can show you. So you need to find data PID equals. Okay, once you've found that, you'll notice that that's what we're looking for, and that is our place ID. Okay, so you copy that just as you did before, and then you go back and you add it to, whichever link you choose. But that's how you find your place ID if you can't use the search, the Google Maps search. If that doesn't work, it doesn't show your business, then you'll have to do it this way. Okay, and that's it. That's how you create your link. And then once you've got your link, you can then send that to your customers, add it to your website like we have. I mean, this is our link here. You know, you can do whatever you like with it, really. You can email it out to all your customers. You can send it to them once they've become a customer, and what have you. Add it to your website. That's how you create a link to Google reviews. See you in the next one. Thanks, guys.